How to add discount codes or coupons on Shop app. Want to save money when shopping online? Here's how to add discount codes in the Shop app. So first, go ahead and open Shop app and then head over into the Explore section to browse products and add items to your cart. So go ahead and select a product that you want to buy, and then once you have selected a product, go ahead and select the color and the size that you want to buy for the specific product, and then click on this add to cart button to add this to your cart if you want to add more items to your cart. But if you want to buy this only, simply select this buy now button, and this would take you to the checkout section. So on the checkout section, you'll be able to find this discount code or gift card section at the right side of your screen. So simply enter the discount code or gift card that you've got for Shop app and then click on apply to apply the discount that you want to use for the specific purchase. And that's it. Adding discount codes in the Shop app is quick, easy, and helps you save more.